Welcome again. Welcome back, my people. Here we are today in Africa. At Sibania, today I've just decided to show you the way water are flowing. This is the place that we are taking shower. Okay, our cows. This is the water that we are feeding our cows. You see, the very green one, as you can see. You see. Let me show you the way it is. Actually, it's a seasonal liver. See, my good people, seasonal liver. You see? It's a good place. You can even take a left. You see? It's a good place. You see, yeah. It's a good one. That is a tree. You see, my people. And that is a bridge. You see? That's a bridge. That one. You see? There are two birds there. Let me try to. You see? You see? Actually, it's a good one. Oh. You see? Yeah. You see this place? It's a nice one. So my people, being is Sunday, being a Sunday, the water is not that much. You see? This water. You see, you can even walk on it. See, my people? And even walk on that water. You see? But I'm not this fast. You see? I'm walking, you see? And I'm turning back to where I was.